Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solution of example 2 from circles chapter from NCERT class 9. This is based on theorem 10.7. If two intersecting chords of a circle make equal angles with the diameter passing through their point of intersection, prove that the chords are equal. So let O be the center of the circle and here AB, CD be the chords and PQ be the diameter. We know that a chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle, and let the intersection point of these chords be E. So this is E point, and here see here, if two intersecting chords of a circle make equal angles with the diameter passing through the point of intersection. So here these two chords are intersecting and make equal angles with the diameter. So here the diameter is PQ and these two chords are making equal angles here at this intersection point. So here these two angles are equal. Therefore angle AEQ is equal to angle DEQ. This is given, and here if these two angles are equal, then we have to prove that the chords are equal. So we have to prove that AB is equal to CD. We know that from the theorem 10.7, the chords are equal if the distance from the center to the chords are equal. So here we have to prove that AB is equal to CD. So draw perpendiculars from the center O to the chord AB, that is OL, and draw perpendicular from center O to the chord CD, that is OM. So you have to prove that these two sides are equal. OL is equal to OM. Further, take these two triangles. If you congruent these two triangles, then you can equal these two lengths. So take triangle OLE and triangle OME. In these two triangles, angle OLE is equal to angle OME because these two are perpendicular lengths. And angle OEL is equal to angle OEM. These two angles are equal because in the problem it is given that these two angles are equal. Angle AEQ is equal to angle DEQ. And OE is the common side of these two triangles. Therefore, by AAS congruence rule, because this is angle side of this triangle are equal to angle side of this triangle. So by AAS congruence rule, triangle OLE is congruent to triangle OME. Once these two triangles are congruent, we can equal the corresponding parts of these two triangles. Therefore OL is equal to OM. Therefore these two lengths are equal. Therefore AB is equal to CD. These two chord lengths are equal, because by theorem 10.7 we know that chords equidistant from the center are equal in length.